My kids have stolen the GoPro. They have kidnapped their grandparents. And now they are taking off, heading west, far into Texas, who knows where, getting into what kind of trouble, I don't know. Sandstorms, hunting for rocks, slot canyons, hiking and getting lost in the wilderness. Y'all buckle up, this is gonna get crazy. I apologize in advance for the crazy commentary you're about to hear. Welcome to Inspire Adventure. This is their story.
Tell me how the trip is going. Helicopter, helicopter. We just stopped at the gas station to get some drinks and use the restroom. We are about 2 hours into the car drive. We have 6 more to go. What are you getting? I'm getting a burger with meat, cheese, and mustard. Nice. That is huge. We are about to get back on the road, and it's about, I think it's about 5 hours and 30 minutes until we get to our destination. We are about an hour away from our destination, so yeah. Is this recording? We made it to Fort Davis, Texas, and we are here at some family's house, and we are eating dinner and going to bed. We'll see y'all tomorrow.
How's everybody doing? We are having fun here tonight.
We are here at a creek bed, rock hounding. Garrett found this rock and he wants to crack it open. Okay. Now.
Oh, hey, I got under it. Come here. Come over to this
Oh,
side.
I can feel it moving.
I can get it.
Okay, let's work together and try and get this thing down.
Kenzie, there's a big hammer.
This bad boy. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Okay, no, you're not.
I just found these huge snake skins. 2 snakes shedded right by each other. Our family has one rule when we're rock hounding. If we find a cool rock, then we can keep it as long as we can carry it. Seed pod. That kind of looks like an apple or an owl. I don't know what it is, but if any of y'all know, comment what you think it is.
This will be your piece.
Oh, nice.
There you go.
That's a nice one.
That's Jasper.
Cool. Let me tell you something about Texas plants. If it's not grass, it wants to hurt you. This has spikes and wants to hurt you. All of these bushes want to hurt you.
It's not green.
This is a thing that we have in Texas called tassajia, which also wants to hurt you. And it has a bunch of thorns, and if you brush up against it, it throws them at you. It's so fun. These mesquite trees also want to hurt you.
A little less treacherous
Root.
opening.
Everybody got a pretty nice rock haul. We are off to our next location. We just had a little bit of lunch. So next we're going to Balmorhea to look for who knows what. Location number 2, Balmorhea. We just drove over a dam over the Balmorhea Lake, and that was kind of scary because there was no fence or anything. And so we were just kind of praying we didn't fall off. There are not nearly as many flies that are interested in my hair as there were at the other place, which is very good because they were getting very annoying. And in every single video, I think I was like shaking my head back and forth like a crazy woman. Like someone built a little campfire here. I'm pretty sure that's illegal. So whoever did that, if you're watching, I'm on to you. I just found this rock and I think I'm gonna try and crack it open. And this little one my grandpa gave to me. He's very, very good at finding these. This is the blue agate.
Nice.
Grandma found a very large piece of agate. This is one of our favorite snacks, and we call it coyote poop. It's not. It's dried sausage from Granzine's, but it is so good. The next place we're going is to go find fossils.
I found some fossil-looking stuff right there. Yeah, but this looks promising right here.
We found a little bit of stuff at this spot, but we're going to drive a little bit farther down the road and see what they have there. It's looking a lot more promising.
There's a seashell right there.
Oh yeah.
And there's something else right there that I can't tell.
Cool. This is prime time for snakes. So, snakies wherever you are. Well, Hayes found a really, really cool tortella fossil, and it's huge. But we're not sure if we can get it out because we've been doing that for like 20 minutes and we still haven't been able to make a crack. So we're gonna try with a bigger hammer and hopefully it works. We finally got that fossil out and now we're heading back, but let me show you the tortella. Oh yeah.
For the next couple hours, we're going to be hiking in Madera Canyon Trail with the cougar family.
Vámonos! This tree is called an alligator juniper because of the bark. Up or down? He's about to flirt with danger.
There was like a runoff from a lake right there. We got lost. We're just walking in random places, seeing if we can find a random trail to go down. So it might be a couple hours, but yeah, we lost. We found a random trail, but we don't know where it goes to. We got back to the car. Kinsey gave me the GoPro and I don't know what to do. We made it to the Jimbo's kitchen and we're waiting for our sandwiches to get to the table.
Good morning, guys. Today we left the place that we were staying in Fort Davis. We're going to Alpine to do some hiking in Big Bend. And yeah, so we're driving there.
Yesterday, we went to the McDonald's observatory, but we forgot to grab the GoPro. But it's basically a place where you can drive in, and there's an auditorium, a visitor center, and you can look through telescopes to look at different constellations and planets. Some of the planets we went to see was Jupiter, the Moon, Mars, the Seven Sisters star cluster, and Orion's Nebula.
The wind is so strong here in Big Bend. This is going to be a fun hike. I think we're going to the visitor center next because we have to stay inside. Because as you can see from my face and their face and my head, it's very, very windy. They've got topography map bandanas and cool hats and books. Got a lot of stuff in here. This is the basin of a volcano. It's the Chisos Basin. We're gonna try and go for a short hike, and hopefully the wind doesn't blow us off the mountain. We just finished the 0.3 mile hike, and we're doing a little bit of a longer one. It's 1.8 miles. It's the Basin Loop Trail.
Okay, we're getting a little compass lesson.
Use this, line up on whatever you're wanting to see, the peak over there. Look through here and you can see your reading, or you can just look straight down. The key is, if you don't hold this thing level, it'll give you a false reading. So the little bubble that's sitting in the center, you want it in the center.
We are doing a closed canyon hike, so we will see you then. Good night, guys. Shafter, Texas was known for its silver. I think we're gonna go down to that creek down there. My grandpa told me there were fossils, and he told me they were round balls. They're all the way over there. So I'm assuming that these are what he means. Look what I just found. It's a huge piece of quartz. Look at that cool cactus.
Today we're going to be at the Big Bend Ranch State Park. So here's where we are on the map.
We are at Big Bend Ranch State Park on Hoodoo's trailhead, and a hoodoo is two rocks balancing on top of each other.
We are about to take the closed canyon trail. It's about 1.4 miles. It's not bad at all. Cool. This is the entrance to the canyon. This is so cool. I want to hike in canyons more often now. Also, it's really, really hot on the surface, but down here it is nice and cool. A really steep part that you have to slide down. Oh, there we go. Let's take a little risk because we just got to the end of the trail. And there's water, so you know. Also, I'm pretty sure if we cross, we would technically be in Mexico, and I think you need a permit to do hikes that go into Mexico. So, well, that was a really good hike. We're going to Geode Mountain to look for geodes. And so far, I found some agate and some geode. Also just found this. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna have to ask my grandpa. Okay, that was really fun, and I think that we got our weight in rocks, but we are pooped. And so we're gonna head back to the hotel unless we find something really, really cool that we wanna look at. And yeah, we're gonna chillax. Yeah, and we're going crazy back here. We're here at a restaurant at a steakhouse, and we're gonna eat dinner, and then I think we're gonna go swim in the pool again. The only thing is that pool is so chlorinated, it literally hurts your eyes so bad every single time you put your head under. So I think I'm getting these. I can't decide what pizza he wants. What pizzas are you deciding between? Cheese and Hawaiian. This is what we've been doing as entertainment while we wait. Say that I won. He won.
And now we are at Spicewood Steakhouse in Alpine, where Kinsey is eating her steak bites. And she says they are superb. Jay is eating a Hawaiian pizza. And guess what Hayes is eating? He's also eating steak bites. Yum, yum.
She got a brisket sandwich, and he got a Philly. We're taking a detour and getting Dairy Queen. He's living on the edge. Oh. Hayes, how is your ice cream?
We don't talk about ice cream.
And now we go to the pool.
Day 2 of the heated pool.
This is the Jersey Lily Saloon. It says no shooting, cutting, fighting, or loud cussing allowed, and absolutely no spitting on the floor. And this is who we named the saloon after. Lily Langtree. The old stove. Cool. This is the opera house that Judge Roy Bean built. In hopes that Lily Langley would come and sing. It also has this thing. I think, yeah, Scarlet Hedgehog. This is I think a tree cholla, and this is a chain cholla. People call this a lot of stuff. They can call it a giant dagger, a yucca, a Spanish dagger. I call it a yucca. This is the map. It shows the whole park. And we're right there. And I don't know where we're gonna go, but...
Well, this was the last museum and hike of the trip, and the kids graciously decided that they were going to come home and return the grandparents and the GoPro. Thanks for following along on this absolutely crazy adventure. If you liked this video, we have a lot more. You can subscribe to our channel to see all of our outdoor adventures together as a family. Now go grab the people that you care about the most and go on an adventure together. Click one of the other videos to see more.